So as you can see, this is my Dropbox, and these are my different folders for all my different stuff. So here's my folder for this year. So I'm going to click on that. And these are all the folders for all the classes that I'm enrolled in currently. So I'm going to go to my EDCI 270 folder and click on that. And as of right now, I only have one folder inside of it, and that's for my theme. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And inside of that, I have a Basics Tool Badge folder where I'm keeping all my stuff from the Tools Badge presentations. And then I also have my presentation that should be in that folder, so I'm going to show you how to transfer that into the folder. So all you have to do is hold down what you need to move and move it up to where the Basic Tool Badge folder is highlighted and let go, and it should automatically move it. So I should be able to click on this and it should appear. So as you can see up here, it is located in the Basic Tool Badge folder. So say I want to go back and I want to add another folder. So all I have to do is come up here and click New Folder, and then I can just type what I want to name it, and then I have another folder. So if I go in this folder and I decide that I need a new document, I can come up here and hit New Item, and then it gives me a bunch of different options. So say I want to open a Word document, it'll open a new one, and I can save it whatever I want. So I can just put digital 2, and you can access it here instead of having to go to Word and saving as there. And then if I wanted to share this with someone, so I could go back to my classes to where I can see the EDCI 270 folder. Say I want to share this entire folder with someone. So all I would have to do is right click, and there's two different options. You can either go up here where it says share, or you can come down here where it says give access to, and then choose specific people. So I'm going to pretend like I'm going to share it. I could type in whoever, so I want to do my friend, and then hit share. And also you can come over here and decide if they can view or edit as well.